Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create highlights on Instagram so you can keep your favorite stories visible for as long as you want. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and head to your profile page by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Next, you will see a section under your bio called Story Highlights. If you have never made a highlight before, this area will be empty. But don't worry, let's fix that. To create a new highlight, tap the plus icon that says New. Instagram will show you all of your past stories. These can be from any time, not just your current stories. Simply select the stories you want to add to your highlight. You can add as many as you like. Once you have picked your favorite ones, tap Next. Now give your highlight a name. This is how your highlight will appear on your profile. So choose something that describes it best, like travel, food, or memories. Finally tap Add and boom. Your highlight is now live and will appear right below your bio for everyone to see. You can add more stories to this highlight anytime by tapping and holding it, then selecting Edit Highlight. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.